Hello everyone, welcome back to my this video. Hope you all are enjoying by learning this video. Friend, I am Vishal Agrahari, Assistant Professor in Department of Pharmacology from Apex Institute of Pharmacy, Samaspur Chunar, Mirzapur. Friend, today we are uploading a very important chapter from pharmacology, that is sulfonamide. So let us start with today's topic, that is sulfonamide. Friend, sulfonamide is an antimicrobial agent. We will study this lecture in the following subheading and discussing one by one. First, introduction, then classification, then antibacterial spectrum, mechanism of action, bacterial resistance, pharmacokinetic profiles, adverse drug effect of sulfonamide, drug interaction of sulfonamide, usage of sulfonamide drug. Now come to next slide. Friend, first starting with the introduction of sulfonamide. Sulfonamide is the first antimicrobial and antibacterial agent which is used against pathogenic bacteria. Is derivative of sulfanilamide containing a sulfonamido ring which is structurally and chemically related to para-aminobenzoic acid. It is structurally similar to many drugs just like thiazide, acetazolamide, dapsone and sulfonyl urease etc. Now physically it available as white powder, mildly acidic and form water soluble salt with bases. However, its indication and practical usage are very few these days. Now come to next slide. In this slide, we will discuss history of sulfonamide. The screening of dye for their antibacterial property in 1920s. Sulfonamido chrysonidine, commonly known as protonsil red, was the first one effective in streptococcal infection in mice by Dogmag. Dogmag et al. Used protonsil red, that is sulfonamide chrysonidine, to treat the streptococcal infection in mice. Subsequently, infant was also cured by the protonsil from streptococcal septicemia. So that in 1937 it was first found that protonsil is broken down into body to release sulfanilamide, and this sulfanilamide has antimicrobial action. Friend, now come to next slide. In this slide, we will discuss about chemistry of sulfonamide. Sulfonamide recognized since 1932, in clinical use since 1935. first compound found to be effective antibacterial agent in safe dose. The chemistry of sulfonamide, the sulfonamide are the derivative of sulfanilamide. Chemically, it is molecular containing sulfonamido functional group attached to aninyl, structurally related to para-amino-benzoic acid, that is PABA. This group is also present in other antibacterial compound like sulfonyl urease, sulfonourease, benzothiazides, furosemide, acetazolamide. Now come to next slide. Friend, in this slide, we will discuss about classification of sulfonamide. Sulfonamide are classified into 5 groups. First, short-acting sulfonamide include sulfadiazine, sulfadimidine, sulfacetamide. Next class of drug, anti-intermediate acting sulfonamide include sulfamethoxazole. Another class of sulfonamide, long-acting sulfonamide include sulfadoxine, sulfamethoxypyrazine, sulfadimethoxine, etc. The topical used sulfonamide, mefenamide, silver sulfadiazine, and sulfacetamide. Next and last one sulfonamide, ulcerative colitis include sulfasalazine. Now come to next slide. Friends, in this slide, we will discuss about antibacterial property of sulfonamide. Now let us study the antibacterial spectrum of sulfonamide. Sulfonamide are mainly bacteriostatic in nature and they are effective against a variety of gram-positive and gram-negative organisms. It is bactericidal in urine. It is susceptible organism against streptopyogenes, H. influenza, H. duracei, Chlamydobacterium, granulomatosis, V. cholerae, chlamydia, actinomyces, etc. The few strains of Staphylo aureus, gonococci, meningococci, pneumococci, Escherichia coli, and Shigella. Chlamydia include trichoma, lymphogranuloma, venereum, inclusion conjunctivitis, also actinomyces and nocardia. Protozoa, Plasmodium, Toxoplasmosis, PCP. And the sensitivity pattern among the organism have changed to time and place to place. Now come to next slide. Friends, in this video, we will discuss about mechanism of sulfonamide. The sulfonamide molecular structure is similar to para-amino-benzoic acid, which is PABA, which is needed in bacteria organism as a substrate of the enzyme dihydroprotease synthesis for the synthesis of tetrahydrofolic acid. Folic acid synthesized from the PABA, pyridine and glutamate. All sulfonamide are analog of PABA. all sulfur drugs are bacteriostatic. Now let us study the mechanism of sulfonamide. Normally bacteria synthesize folic acid, and by synthesis intake of PABA on paraminoic benzoic acid, and the sulfonamide and PABA, that is paraminobenzoic acid, are structurally analog of each other. The sulfonamide, they inhibit the bacterial folate synthesis enzyme, so no more folic acid is formed, and they are metabolite, and their metabolic activity of bacteria decrease, and the metabolically are suffer or decrease their growth. Now come to next slide. In this slide we will discuss sulfonamide resistance drug. Sulfonamide resistance. Now let us study what causes resistance to the sulfonamide. Many strain S. aureus, pneumococci, gonococci, meningococci, streptopyogenes, Escherichia coli, and Shigella. The resistance bacteria include gonococci, pneumococci. The majority of them as within, and all of the anaerobic are the resistance to sulfonamide. Now this resistance reduce its clinical use. Mechanism: production of increased amount of PABA, that is include Staphyloneuritia. Now taking about this, why the mechanism, what is this mechanism, and why this mechanism is developed by bacteria. The bacteria are so to produce more PABA, the resistance bacteria, and increase the production of PABA. Now resistant bacteria produce the folate synthesis enzyme, which have to reduce the affinity for sulfonamide to bind its receptor site, and bacteria adopt alternative pathway of folate synthesis, structurally change in folate synthesis, Escherichia coli, encoded chromosomally and plasmid mediated. Resistance to one sulfonamide, resistance to all, no cross resistance. Now come to next slide. In this slide we will discuss pharmacokinetic of sulfonamide or kinetic of sulfonamide. Now taking about the sulfonamide pharmacokinetic profile, absorption of sulfonamide occurs rapidly in GIT and completely absorbed from GIT. It is extended of plasma protein binding differ, which make its longer duration of action. Ones are highly plasma protein bound. In the body, The drug is widely distributed, enter the CSF and also cross the placenta. Now come to metabolism of sulfonamide. Metabolism by the non-microsomal acetyl transferase through liver, that is slow and faster acetylator. The metabolism of sulfonamide occurs by the acetylation N4 by the N-acetyl transferase enzyme, and this mostly occur in liver. Now come the acetylated derivative of sulfonamide is inactive, which occurs adverse effect on the body, but more toxic than parent crystalluria. Acetylated form accumulate in blood, toxic in renal failure, and its absorption, reabsorption through tubule and excreted through urine. Now come to next slide. Friends, in this video, we will discuss the adverse drug reaction of sulfonamide. Now are the adverse drug reaction of sulfonamide: nausea, vomiting, epigastric pain, crystalline urea, rashes, hepatitis, and skin reaction are the adverse effect of sulfonamide. Now come to next top slide. Friends, in this video, we will discuss the each class of drug of sulfonamide. First class of sulfonamide drug, sulfadiazine, is the prototype sulfonamide. It is absorbed orally and it is excreted through urine. Next class of sulfonamide drug, sulfamethoxazole, has slow oral absorption and T-half is around 10 hours and it is slowly excreted from the body. Another drug of sulfonamide is sulfadoxine and sulfamethoxypyrazine are ultra long acting and the duration of action more than 1 week. There is more plasma protein bind by this drug. The T-half of the drug is 5 to 9 days and there is slow renal excretion of drug. Another class of drugs, sulfacetamide, ophthalmic use, infection by the bacteria, chlamydia, ophthalmia, neonatum, etc. The sulfacetamide sodium is highly soluble drug and it is used in the ocular infection. Another drug, mefenamide, is used in the treatment of Pseudomonas, Clostridia and in burn dressing to prevent infection in the wound. Another class of sulfonamide drug, silver sulfonamide, 1% cream is used over burns. It releases silver, and this silver is said to have antimicrobial action. Now come to next slide. In this video, we will discuss the use and drug interaction of sulfonamide. Now that drug interaction of sulfonamide reduce the metabolic rate of phenytoin, talbutamide and warfarin. It displaces methotrexate and thus reduce the renal excretion resulting in the toxicity. Now, use of sulfonamide. The systematic use of sulfonamide, a single drug is sulfonamide group is very rare. Sulfonamide group is very rare. It is used with combination of other drug. Sulfonamide used in UTI caused by Escherichia coli and P. paramibilius, sulfasalazole 1 gram of time daily, malaria, toxoplasmosis, ulcerative colitis, and locally sodium sulfacetamide 10 to 30% ophthalmic solution in bacteria, bacterial conjunctivitis, trichoma, etc. Mefenadine acetate 1% cream and silver sulfadiazine 1% cream, burn dressing and chronic ulcer. Friend, when we talking about topic use the silver sulfasalazine, mefenadine is used to prevent infection of burns, etc. Thank you.